raining out here.
Welcome back, my heroes. The boiler thinks it has no water inside, but that's not it. We're going to change the low water cutoff. Stay calm. Starring Brandon F. Campbell. The boiler thinks it's low on water, but it's not that. That low water cutoff is malfunction, so we gonna change that.
Boiler man. That's me. Morning, afternoon.
They sent me in.
Say it again?
You're just following up?
I guess, I'm assuming so if you don't know that I'm here.
Yeah, I suppose.
Low water cutoff.
If they're not expecting me, most likely the company just sent me over there.
I'm following you?
1 second.
Normally, they're expecting me.
Oh, man, I remember you.
Been here before.
What's going on?
How you doing?
All right, I came here with we did all the valves and stuff. Yeah.
You're changing the...
Low water cutoff.
Low water cutoff, okay. Let me see. Mike Myers. That was quick. It started raining already?
Yeah. I'm good. Yourself?
So they sent me over to change the lower the
Boiler
cutoff.
A. Boiler A, right?
The boiler is open.
Okay, which one is it? A or B?
A, right?
No, one you just already. What all?
I got the part with me already.
The one on the.
This side.
They told me it was jumped.
That side.
Got you.
This ain't a big deal. Just gotta go up there and change it. Cut power, swap it out. Ain't nothing to it. There goes the first step.
Huh? I'm gonna go up and look at it. Huh? Got you.
First thing first, gotta throw the gloves on. Look at all that white stuff coming down the boiler. I ain't touching none of that with my hands. I figured take a little tour, cause look, they got a whole nother boiler in the back. I believe that's a power flame. I don't know what kind of boiler that is though. Alright, tour's over. Let's get to work. This boiler's big as hell. I'm definitely gonna need this ladder. Let me throw it to the side. There's no space for me to open up the ladder, so excuse me for not opening up the ladder. If you can't open up the ladder at this point, what do? There's no other thing but to, place the ladder on the side and step up. I'm sorry, OSHA, but I gotta get busy. Alright, normally that's all you really need is a screwdriver and maybe a small channel lock. Right now I'm taking off the sensor, the sensing line that goes onto the probe. Some people change the probe, some people don't. We don't cut power. Oh.
Yeah, I fucked that up. I'm almost positive that they got power on it.
I know it does. But we're not gonna take no chances.
Hear a bunch of clicking and clacking around here. Yeah, we definitely got power.
So that 120 on it. That's the other boiler. Back at the circuit breaker, they don't have it labeled properly.
I want to make sure the power's off.
So now we just taking guesses by shutting off circuit breakers, which is kind of dangerous because we don't know what we shutting off.
I see it, but I gotta turn the power off. I don't know what's the power.
Now it's a game on catching power. So now this circuit breaker is for this boiler, but
That was me.
But yet it turned off boiler number 1
Yeah, I know, but
or boiler B.
that's
Rather.
no. This is A.
That's what I said. You just told that panel's for A.
This is A.
Oh, I know that. That went off. That's why it was
You
coincidental.
scared me.
You scared me. 'Cause
I know. I definitely tied into it. This doesn't do anything. I'm gonna turn that back on. Ain't do nothing.
Still got power. That
Yeah,
wasn't
it says
even
high
it.
limit. It was this one.
Yeah, it's about to kick back on.
they tapped the power.
Who knows what they did? I ain't do it, so I don't know what they did.
Proof of closure.
Sometimes it's your job to
Let's
figure
do-
out
let's
what they
explain
did.
What? I'm gonna turn my thing off.
But at this job, it's not about that.
No, the power's off. I'm just trying to get the lower the cutoff to have no power.
I got everything under control. Super's a little nervous, but it's okay.
That's it. That was it.
I found the power.
You got a marker?
Huh?
Can you bring me a marker?
Let's label that baby. And I'm gonna label the one that fell too.
That was it. Yep.
Double checking. And now we can get busy. So I'm taking off the wires. This low water cutoff change is real simple. Got these 2 screws that hold it on onto the probe. Valve, it comes right off. The probe didn't look too bad. And right now they got like 10 pounds of steam on the system. So I'm gonna leave that probe. Just make sure you put it back the same way. Those 2 screws that you loosened up, tighten them up. Notice I'm using 1 tool for this. It's that simple. If I was changing the probe, then I'll probably need adjustable or something like that. So now, there's 2 types of wiring that normally comes with this, or normally what you will see. There's the 4 wires and the 3 wires. If the 3 wires is there, then 9 out of 10, L1 is powering your limits. If 4 wires is there, then your limits is separate than your power, which means that your lower the cutoff is constantly getting power. This one was a 4 wire,
Man, that pump sounds
so there's no
horrible.
jumper. If there's a 3 wire there,
You know that shit's about to go.
there's gonna be a jumper. The lower the cutoff comes with a jumper on it. So normally you gotta take that jumper off if there's 4 wires. If you see more than 4 wires, then those other wires
Okay.
are probably alarms
I turn this boiler on. It should just start.
telling people when there's a low water on the boiler.
Jumped out because it wasn't working. It should be working now.
If it's working, we good. So we cut power back. That buzzing sounds like a proof of closure.
Now. Oh, because it's working. That's why.
That's,
It works.
I pressed the test button.
Okay. Gucci. So then, just got this boiler to get started and we good. Let's put the cover on.
Now I'm just waiting for the 2-minute delay.
Takes 2 minutes when power gets cut back on. There's a 2-minute delay normally for every boiler, or well, at least should be a 2-minute delay. That's that boiler.
Got him. So right now, it seems like we're gonna have to wait for the lag delay. I'm trying to figure out what's holding the boiler from running.
You know what?
I can't force the start, so I'm gonna turn this one off and make that one
This
call.
one being off is gonna cause this one to start.
I don't feel like
I don't want to have to put the password
That's
in.
what it
I don't wanna
was.
Do all that extra shit. This star means that they have control, and you need to put the password in.
I know the
We're
password.
not gonna do all that, so we just shut this one off and wait for this one to start. Right now it says lag delay 6 minutes. So that means in 6 minutes, this one should come on because this one's at 100% and it's off. So it's saying in 6 minutes, we're gonna put this one on. We got you. All right, so let's wait that 6 minutes. It's getting ready to come on. So now it went into pre-purge delay and it's counting down the seconds. It's waiting for it to come on.
Nope.
And we're gonna see if this thing fires. Boiler already kicked on.
Right now it's purging D to 8. That's the high limit switch. That's the high limit switch right there. During purge, it's just proving that the mom motor is modulating to high fire. We good. Oh, be careful when you're moving ladders. Make sure you take everything off from the top. I always forget it. I'm not perfect. We out of here. Let's pack it up. Can't forget the multimeter. All right, Brody. These kind of jabs I consider like fillers. They send me in and just change a part or whatever. I change it and I just dip. I don't really like these too much. It's okay. I like the hard ones. The tough jabs. The job that needs to be saved.
Okay, give me that. I think you no,
I'm with it.
you have any problem with the
That's just making everybody, work out.
Yes. This man. Let me see this right here. Oh, okay. Everybody?
Everybody's
Go, Jake.
All right.
Everything good?
Everything great.
The bypass is gone?
Everything's gone.
You are the man.
I'm the man behind the man.
There you go.
I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you, brother.
Oh yeah, we got that one covered. We changed that no lower to cut off.
Thank you.
And now, that boiler can work without being jumped. You never want to leave a low water cutter jump. Just make sure that boiler got another low water cutter sitting on the other side of it. Safety first. But we got this one in the bag. Until next time, my fellow heroes, thank you for subscribing as I walk down the road to 1,000.